What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm Jeremy Johnson, your host for the next 8 minutes or so, who knows. Today we're going to talk about vans. You guys know that I love talking about vans, showing you guys vans, and just everything about vans. I guess I like motorhomes too, but anyways guys, what I have behind me is a E350, and what is unique about this, or maybe not so unique, is that we have the high top on this particular van. And a lot of the questions that we get asked here at WeldTec Designs as well, if I put a 6-inch kit on my E350, and granted this isn't a longer, this is an extended E350, so you got the long wheelbase, you're also going to have the big overhang off of the back of this. So that's going to be really the negative when it comes down to having your van being stock height. If you're going to be taking it out on the trail, is that long overhang that you have on the back of that. Obviously it's going to be a plus when we put the lift on it. But what we really want to talk about is stability. People, that's what we said. People ask like, hey, if I put this on, am I going to be driving down the road and my van's just going to tip over? And I mean, no, not really, but I have to, yes, depending on how you drive it, you have the ability to do so. In my opinion, these lifts, or a van with the lift on it, is going to be a lot more stable and drive a lot better due to all of the components that we're putting on this, on our Baja grocery getter suspension kit. So what I want to do though is we're about to put a 6-inch lift on this, or really a complete performance package, because we're also going to be putting leaf springs on in the rear. So what I want to do is we're going to take some measurements of it before, take some measurements of it after, and if we have enough time, I'm going to take you guys for a drive in this thing and show you really just how stable these things are. So when we come to the back of this thing and we're going to measure it with the stock wheels on there, I'm going to call it 35.5. It's like 35 5/8. It was, if we're getting down to the itty bitty. And when we come up to the front up here, we're going to do the same thing, measuring in the wheel well, and we're going to call that 35. So you can see that this van does sit a little bit higher in the rear, and that's typical of most vans. We also weighed this van, and we're coming in at about 3,800 pounds rear weight. This particular customer plans on adding some additional things to the back, a bumper, an AC unit, and then continuing his build out on the inside. So when we put the springs in, we're going to be putting in springs that are going to be rated higher than what his current weight is, but trying to basically estimate about what he's going to be doing in the rear. So I think that's it. You guys want to see the inside? You gotta wait till the end. I'll show you the inside. It's pretty cool. That's it. Time to pull this thing in and put a Baja grocery getter on it. Handy dandy tape measure, guys. We're back, and now we have a lifted van. So this Ford E350 high top, which is just going to be crazy when you drive it. I can't imagine ever putting a 6-inch lift on it, because there's no way that it's going to drive normal, right? Oh, you're crazy. Anyways, before we get into that, let's go take some measurements of this thing. I know we did it before, and we're going to come back at it, and we're looking like 39.5 inches on the front. So I'll make Austin do the math on that so we can figure out where we're at. And now on the back of this thing, we are coming in at about 40.5 inches in the back of this. So you can see in the back of this, guys, while we're back here, let's talk about what we did to the suspension to make this thing sit awesome. Is we put a new set of leaf springs in here, and because this is going to have more of a build out and more things that are going to go on it, we put an 8-leaf pack in there, which is going to be more than enough to hold up the weight to whatever they decide to do on the inside, which is really great, because while he was here hanging out, we suckered him into this right here. Look at this. I mean, how could you not love that? You're here at WeldTec Designs and you're like, dude, I need a rear bumper. How awesome is this one? It doesn't get any better than that. So our double swing bumper right there. Look at this thing, guys. So normally you can see, guys, so typically there's a box on this, so you're not really able to see the whole thing. So this is going to be the tray that you get. So you can mount anything from, a tote, a box, double gas can racks, an air conditioner, maybe me, like, you can go for a ride. Whee! So anyways, and then it's gonna swing all the way open. And then you can lock it right there, so then you have full access to your doors. And dude, check out this thing on the inside. This is the full hauler right there. It does not have a build out. This is for hauling him and his family. So a lot of seats in there, a lot of luxury seats. Go hang out, chill, you know? I mean, if you're not camping in it, you might as well have some really nice seats and then a ton of room for cargo. But what's great about this high top is you're gonna have the room to ability to stand up in there. And after we talk about the suspension, maybe we'll jump in there just to show you how much room you got. So back to this bumper, we're gonna pull that pin right there. All right, so both sides are gonna lock, and what's great about this lock too is it has a double lock. So you can see as I put my thumb on there, it's locking as well. So it's not, even if I pull on this, it's not gonna open up. You actually have to, you gotta use your thumb to get it undone. So that's what's nice. These things are not gonna come undone. And in the pivot point, we're using a full-on bearing in there, 2 bearings actually. It's like a trailer spindle wheel. Not the wheel itself, but you know the thing. So up in the front of this, let's go up there and check this thing out, guys. So it's been a while. You know, we've been showing you guys all these killer RVs. We haven't been showing you all these killer vans we've been doing. So our Baja grocery getter kit up front. And as you jump in here, you're gonna see something cool. You're gonna see those Fox reservoir shocks up in the front of this. You're gonna have your coils, your extended radius arms, your modified beams, and then to finish it all off in the front, we added the steering stabilizer kit to it to just, that's it. What else can we do? Now, we just need, see, he's making his own video. Ray's making his own video over here. There's Ray, he's running from the camera. We're gonna take Ray for a drive and see what he thinks of this thing. See if it passes his approval or thumbs up, thumbs down. So that's all I got. And then next time when he comes down, we're gonna get stage 2 will be method wheels, tires, and then we're gonna have to put the front bumper on there then, of course, you know. So, all right guys, let's go for a ride. All right, now the first thing is, you've probably seen it in a lot of videos, us coming into this little dip here, but now the going out part, because now how fast would you normally go over it?
Oh man.
What do you think of that?
Yeah, that's smooth.
Now, the next thing people always say is, this is so high, if you turn a sharp corner, like, these things have to feel like they want to roll over, so.
Oh. Whoa, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's beautiful. Wow. It's not bumpy, you know?
Right, well, and that's the thing, like,
wow.
I mean, most people don't drive their van like this, but if you
no.
want to,
yeah,
you can. We're still waiting for that Porsche, you know, right, Austin?
Yep.
One of these days.
oh, nice ride, man. Beautiful.
And this is our favorite road.
Woo! Oh yeah. Oh man.
What do you think of that?
This is great, man. Oh,
See, that's the
man.
best part of it. It's just that chuckle right there. Dude, I love it. I love it. We don't even really slow down anymore. And one more time, just for fun.
Oh. Woo! I love it, man. I'm telling you, it's worth it.
I wish I could just see your smile, you know? This damn COVID, you know? I want to see him just busting up laughing, and you know? That's what I hate about this damn virus. You don't get to see anybody smile anymore. You know, I want to be like high-fiving them, you know? We're already getting in trouble. We don't have no plexiglass here.
That will be the next one, man.
Yeah, the next one. You know, we're gonna start installing plexiglass. Well, there it is, Ray. Our Baja grocery getter, complete
Yes, sir.
performance package.
Yes, sir.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up, man.
Oh, dude.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up, guys.
Yes.
I think we just end the video on that. No,
Yeah.
we're done. We're out of here. We're gonna go
Yeah.
drive some more. I'm gonna give Ray back his van, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next video. All right, here we go. One last thing.
One last thing.
Because we got to do it just because it's always so much fun.
Really? Oh, you're crazy, man. Jeremy is crazy, man. Oh, man. That was fun.
Back at WeldTec.
That was really fun.